look at this, man, look at this thing. How on earth am I supposed to recreate this haircut and do a makeover on this thing? I have never, ever seen anyone walk in for a haircut with hair like this. But today is Makeover Monday. And if you don't know, every single day, Monday through Friday, I'm doing a new kind of series and a new focus, which is really, really fun. So you can see in the description below what's happening each day. But today is Makeover Monday, and I'm going to make over this absolutely insane, crazy hairstyle. So when it comes to doing makeovers, and if you're somebody who is going into a barber shop or a hair salon, wherever you're going for your appointment, and you want to have an extreme change, I think the most important thing is, one, have a clear vision of what you want, have some photographs saved on your phone, show the barber, show the hairstylist photos of what you like, and then make sure you ask them, hey, is this something that you think my hair will do? Because unfortunately, there's a lot of professionals who aren't really giving you the confirmation of saying, yes, you can actually go forward and go ahead and do this. That's on them, not you. So you need to show them and ask them questions saying, hey, can my hair do this? Will this look good on me? My face shape? What's the maintenance like on it? Like, how do I style it? Can you share all that stuff with me? If they are a real professional, they know what they're doing, they will go through the whole routine with you and the whole process. So what I'm going to do in this video is, now that I've explained everything, I am just gonna go super creative. I'm gonna just, map this out in my head. And what I usually do for myself working on, this type of mannequin or doing an extreme makeover, I just start to kind of vision what I'm gonna foresee. Right now, I'm just seeing a ton of hair right here. However, I do like the fact that there's some pieciness here. I do like the fact that, there's a little bit of volume in here. I see the sides are kind of sticking out a bit, so that means I have to go either really, really short with this, or leave some length to make it a bit more choppy. So I don't know, I'm gonna just start cutting. So make sure you watch all the way through, watch the techniques I'm doing, and let's make over this mannequin. let's break down the styling process. So I just want to show this to you before I do any sort of styling to it. And it's a bit edgy. We went from like out of control wild to a bit more, modern and a bit more edgy. So the haircut you saw, I did a nice little fade here, brought this all the way up, cut the top a little bit shorter through here, right, to have a little bit of texture. And you can spike it up, you can do a whole bunch of stuff with it, wear it a little more flat towards the face. And what I really liked about this is I kept the back a bit longer. I respected that length throughout the back here. Here's the back you could see. And I just went in and really reshaped it, added some texture to it, and worked this all into where, this is kind of the focal point right here, and then this is the focal point. Got rid of a lot of that weight, took down all that crazy, height in through here. And now let's style it. So you can literally go with, a whole bunch of things as far as styling products from my lineup. You use my talc styling powder. You can use any of the crafted, pastes, the sea salt paste. I'm gonna go in with my One Clay, which is right here, my newest addition. It's the 3-in-1. It's a cream, a pomade, and a clay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a scoop like so. It smells really light and fresh. And we're gonna work it through the hands. Now, depending on how you mix it into your hands is going to determine the end result. If it's going to be like this, it's a bit more waxy or somewhat creamy, then you go to that next level where you don't really see, you see like a light sheen on your hands. That's going to be more of like a pomade, like a second or third day look. And then if you're looking for that more traditional type of clay, where it's a really true matte finish, right, with some really kind of good hold, keep working it through, then this is what's going to give you that ideal kind of result. Feel your hands getting nice and warm. There's that tack right there I'm looking for. And now I'm going to go in and apply it. And it goes into the hair really, really nicely. So make sure that you're applying this throughout all of the head. And then you can see what I'm doing is I'm going in and just kind of reworking the style like so. It's up to you how you want to style it, to be honest with you. You can do a little bit of a faux hawk. You can, just create a little bit of a somewhat messy texture going down throughout the front here. The sides and the back, what I suggest doing is always kind of lifting out this way. Okay, we're gonna lift out. So you can see it's got some pieciness to it like this. And then what we're gonna do is from here, we're gonna use our fingers just to kind of tame down slightly, and we're gonna piece this out this way. Okay, and you can also accentuate these pieces as much as you want. It all depends on you, total personal preference. But we're just adding some texture and some softness down and through here. And you do that by just simply taking the fingers and creating little points with the hair like this. And that kind of just helps accentuate the entire thing right here. And I think this is like pretty awesome, kind of like punk rock, a bit mod, trending type of style. I think this is really, really awesome. This is gonna make a statement, definitely a fashion statement. And I really had a good time doing this. So here is the full finished result. I'll just do kind of a slow motion, as you can see right in through here. Piece this out down and through here if you want. Keep going all the way back. There's all that texture in there. And awesome side profile. And here we go. This is the finished result. So I hope you enjoyed Makeover Monday. I'll be doing these every Monday. Look in the description if you want to see what the programming is like for the rest of the week. If you want to use any of my products, you can use code YouTube20 for my clay, the sea salt spray, my blow dryer, or I have my Amazon affiliate link, and that is going to show you all the tools like the clippers I use on Amazon, and you can purchase them there. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.